Over there, you have it. Push him, McKay. Good job. You turn him, McKay. No, good job. I'll get a little further away. Good job, McKay. Push it. Roll it. Oh, she's being a ball hog.
She's a ball hog. She's a ball.
Oh my goodness, she said, look what I can do. I'm gonna give you, nope, back to Harrison.
No.
Oh, I forgot. Here, your turn. Push it in, McKay. Push it back to Harrison. Or she gonna push it with her foot.
Are you gonna play soccer?
Alright.
Harrison said, I'll take it.
Oh, now knock me down, McKay.
Give it back to me, McKay.
Go back to your brother. Oh, she said, here, Mom.
Oh, do you want to play this game?
Yeah, I want to play. I'm going to use my foot. Go.
No, you have to do your hand.
Oh, okay.
Okay, McKay and Harrison.
Okay, we'll take Gilpatrick's out. Oh!
Gilpatrick.
Out.